Oh, they both survived. Ooh.
Who wants it? Somebody wants it. Come on. All right, let's bring it down lower. Let's bring it down lower now. Let's bring it down lower. Plane, my dude.
Yep, I hit somebody, but we both survived.
We got that A-main plane. If you hit the A-main plane, I don't know if they're being. Bring on down low. Who got it? Oh, he saved it. Got the wingtip one. Oh! Okay, Big Bloody Baron. Big Bloody Baron. Oh!
I think he's talking about you.
That was unfortunate.
I think he is.
Alright, Big Bloody Baron right here. Hey, make sure you go a little bit further out, away from the wind. The wind's coming toward us now.
Wait, was that you?
Oh, that's unfortunate.
I think that was you.
Barracuda down.
Oh, big bloody
All right, 30 seconds. Someone take out that big airplane. You're gonna get rocked. I can feel the cold rain wind. I love you all. Thank you for sacrificing not only your planes, but your bodies, your minds, your souls, and your shoes. It's been fantastic, guys. All right, here's the gist of it. Based on the rain and everything else with the wind going on right now, I need you to Great work, gentlemen. Great work. All right. Closest land to the Big Bloody Baron. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's coming in for a broach. Oh my goodness. I don't know just what happened. Big Planes, can you go ahead and get in the air in 3, 2, 1, and go. Heads up. Be aware. Big Planes up in the air. Oh my goodness. 3, 4, 5 ring planes already down. All right, now the rest of you. The rest of you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Heads up. Spotters, keep aware. Spotters, keep aware. Spotters, keep aware. In 3, 2, 1, and launch if you have not done so already. I see you, smiley face plane. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is how we roll. Oh my goodness, dropping like flies. That's all I gotta say. It looks small compared to that thing. Unbelievable.
Crack and crush. Whatever we got here.
Oh. Kraken is still in the air, guys. Kraken is still in the air. All right. Oh, they just bounce off. It's like boink, 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 boink. That's the one, Tim. Oh, I hear a lot of hitting. I don't see a lot of falling. Oh, the airliner's down zone. All right, I want to see some carnage. That big flyer right there, he does not need to stay in much longer. Yep, that one right there. Big flyer. The night flyer actually got some LEDs on there, bro. Oh yeah, someone wants it. Someone wants it. They want it. Oh no, the front of his airplane is gone. The prop said nom, 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 nom. Oh my goodness, poor decision. Oh! Oh, man down. Man down. I know this is hard. I know it's all I always ask every time. But please, can we just swarm the big flyer? Every single airplane out on the line, just find the flyer, attack the flyer, explode the flyer. I like the entourage he's got going on here. Oh, man. Oh! Oh, thanks for playing. Not happening today, sir. All right, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh, the race wing, flipping her. All right, rest of you, go ahead to the line in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and launch. Here we go. Oh man, oh, he didn't make it. He didn't make it, that's so sad. Mr. Flyer still wants to go down. Someone's got to hit him. Swarm him. It's a perfect target. Oh yep. Oh geez. He's just floating. He's just like, come get me. Oh, he saved it. Oh man. I need you guys to get some altitude. Okay? I need you to get some altitude. Get up there, you know, maybe 100, 200 feet, whatever it is. There he is. As high as you are comfortably going, okay? As high as you can comfortably go. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the 3 fastest airplanes to the ground. When I say go, you, my friends, are going to get a prize. Okay? You guys ready? Go! Get there! Get there! Yes! All right, I've never seen so many. It's a flight line. Benny's got a camera. Just go ahead and start snapping pictures. Oh my goodness! Is he up? He's still up. They're both still up. Slowest flying plane. Oh my! There's no way you can come back from that. Oh, wait a second. Heads up, just so everybody's aware he's got nothing. He wants it. No! So any one of those 4 airplanes, you hit those, bring those down. Also, oh my goodness, your A-10 has 41. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Please be aware. Please be aware. And if I could have one of the flight crew members count all the planes in the air, thank you, that'd be great. That's impossible life. I'm just kidding. Don't try that. You're gonna be. That's beautiful. Oh man. I got him.
Try to fly nice and smooth up there and stay up as long as you can.
We got the wiggly waggle
Sure. Yes, Garm. Keep it nice and steady up there. You got it.
Is that a s'more sitting on the side of the plane?
Yes, it is.
My streamers are dramatically shorter than they were.
Oh, it's I'm flying over there now. See it? Ready? You got it. There? Way over there?
Oh, he's down!
Okay, try to keep...
Okay, awesome. You gonna fly today or no?
I made up my mind, probably. Oh!
No, I think he survived. But he shredded me.
He definitely shared.
Did I? Yes! 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 I took down Stan! Woo!
somebody definitely just got shattered taking them out.
I did.
Your plane
Seriously?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, he shredded it.
What were you flying?
225% Super B.
No.
Oh, yeah. Lawn dart.
Electronics, is that what that is?
Yep.
Part of the earth.
The earth is reconsuming your plane. Looks like it. We'll see how shredded it is after its contact with Stan. Oh my God. Yeah. How many batteries am I gonna find?
Take it off, right to left.
Oh, sorry.
If only everybody flew the same size plane.
fly by again, catch it again.
Yeah, I mean, pretty much one of the coolest planes right now.
Oh my goodness, great
Right in
situation
front of the
there.
flag.
All these stations. Yeah, right there.
You got his timer set? He's gonna keep going.
All right, public enemy number one. Be my friend. Big yellow.
Did not thought I had enough power.
I love that finale.
It's at the far back corner of the field.
He doesn't continue to fly much. It's hard not to.
I lost you.
Right.
Well, yeah, it's not that flying. I let other things distract me.
red circle. I just enforce the rules.